If you want to really know about St. Supery, you need to know about our vineyards, because everything we do is about our vineyards and the quality wine that we're going to grow there. We have 2 vineyards, our Rutherford Vineyard, where the winery is located, and our Dollarhide Vineyard, which is in the northeastern corner of Napa Valley. It's a really significant vineyard. It's its own valley within Napa Valley. It's a super diverse spot with 7 different soil series, 13 different soil variations. Napa Valley is a biodiversity hotspot.
I was drawn to come to St. Supery because we share a very similar philosophy on providing an incredible experience to the guest while still taking care of our planet and everyone here in our community.
So we have complete control from the grapes and every decision, from planting all the way through to bottling. So I love that, I can see the grapes, I can taste them out on the vine, and then I can be a part of the decision of bringing them in, and then we can taste them as juice, taste them as they're fermenting, and then see what they're like in the blend and then in bottle. I love that progression and being able to see from the start, literally the start to the end.